Well, hi folks. Well, in the last 12 years we have worked incredibly hard to bring you colour in your life and all the great artists that come with it from across the world. But I'm reaching out today. I don't normally do this and I haven't done it before, I must admit, but I'm just reaching out to say that we would like your help. We need your help to keep our business afloat and running. Due to obviously the lockdowns and the fact that Colour in Your Life does travel to artist studios to film them for the series, we have found that we have not been able to move around, and that was part of our business model. We still want to do Colour in Your Life. I think it's benefited a great deal of people across the world and made a huge difference to the artists that we film and also the people that watch the series in 50 countries these days. So it's pretty amazing what we've done. And as I said, we've put our heart and our soul into this. I've got a fantastic team of people that work with me. But we were wanting to send you into the Patreon website where you can go in there, and then it's only a small amount. I mean, a cup of coffee a month basically is what we're asking for. And we do have thousands, hundreds of thousands of subscribers and members, and then millions of people that watch the series right around the world. I mean, as I said, we're in 50 countries, which is pretty amazing. And we started just doing this in Australia, and now we have teams of people all over the world that are helping us do it. So we want to keep it going. It's a great idea. It's a very different model, of course. I don't think there's any other business like this on the planet. But we need your help, and if you could go into Patreon, we're going to give as much as we can. I mean, spending some time with me every week in the studio, lots of different things that you wouldn't normally see on the front line of what Colour in Your Life does. I mean, and helping you guys out as well. That's the main thing. I mean, we do know about the business of art. I have had quite a successful career as an artist myself, and I make quite a good living out of doing that. But obviously, with the fact that we've got a number of people working with Colour in Your Life these days, we actually just need the extra help. Keep us going, get us through these rough periods, so that when the madness eventually goes away from COVID, we can step back onto the stage again. And that we have literally hundreds of artists that are waiting to be on Colour in Your Life. They just love it, but at the moment we're sort of stuck where we are, and we would really love your help to be able to get through that process. So come in, support us, and we hope to see you there, and we will do our best to make sure you have a great time as well. Thank you.